Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Blooket account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To sign up for a Blooket account, open up a web browser. Go to the URL box at the top and type in www.blooket.com and press enter on your keyboard. Blooket is a learning platform that is designed to be gamified. This combines quiz-style questions and answers with enjoyable skill games that students can play while answering the questions. Once you end up in the official site, go to the upper right-hand corner and click on the Sign Up button in order to create a new account. Once you end up in this page, you can choose two options in order to sign up. You can either sign up using Google or sign up with an email address. I'm going to choose the second option. Once you give it a click, you'll need to create a new username for yourself on the next page. Type in the username in the text box and head over to the next field and type in a valid email address that you have an access to. Once you do that, head over to the password field and type in your password correct. Confirm your password one more time in the last text box and click on I am at least 13 years old and I agree to the privacy policy and terms of service box. After you do that, the sign up button will appear at the bottom. Give it a click and you'll be able to sign up for Blooket. Select whether you are a student or a teacher and go through the welcome tour in order to know how to operate the account. That's how you can easily sign up or create a new account on Blooket. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.